かわいい T シャツですね。どこで買いましたか？どこで買ったと思いますか？日本ですか？そうです。東京で買いました。いくらでしたか？1000円ぐらいだったと思います。In this video, we're going to learn how to use past tense with the と思います expression. This is the second video about this expression. We'll practice the expression with past tense sentences. Let's get started. Let's do a quick review. In the first lesson, we used this example sentence. Shiro speaks Japanese. Shiro は日本語を話します。Then we learned how to say, I think Shiro speaks Japanese. So we learned that we changed the speculation sentence to its short form. In this case, the sentence ends with 話します, which is a verb in its polite form. So the short form is シロは日本語を話す. And then we add と思います, which means I think. So I think Shiro speaks Japanese is シロは日本語を話すと思います。シロは日本語を話すと思います。Now this video focuses on the case where the speculation sentence is a past tense. But the grammar is exactly the same and is straightforward if you're comfortable with short past tense conjugations. Let's say someone asked you where you bought your t-shirt. If you remember for sure, you would say, I bought it in Tokyo. 東京で買いました. But if you're not sure, you might want to say, I think I bought it in Tokyo. So we changed the speculation sentence to its short form. The sentence ends with 買いました, which is a past tense verb in its polite form. So the short form is 東京で買った. So I think I bought it in Tokyo is 東京で買ったと思います。東京で買ったと思います。Next phrase is シロ was busy. シロは忙しかったです。If you want to say, I think Shiro was busy, we change the speculation sentence to the short form. The sentence ends with 忙しかったです, which is a past tense "い" adjective in its polite form. The short form is シロは忙しかった. So, I think Shiro was busy is シロは忙しかったと思います。シロは忙しかったと思います。Let's say someone asked you if you liked studying when you were a child. If you remember for sure that you liked, you would say, I liked studying. 勉強が好きでした. But if you don't remember for sure and want to say, I think I liked studying, we change the speculation sentence to the short form. The sentence ends with 好きでした, which is a past tense "な" adjective in its polite form. So the short form is 勉強が好きだった. So I think I liked studying is 勉強が好きだったと思います。勉強が好きだったと思います。Next, someone asked how much your t-shirt was, and your answer is it was about 1,000 yen. 1000円ぐらいでした. But if you want to say, I think it was about 1,000 yen, we changed the speculation sentence to the short form. The sentence ends with past tense noun, so the short form is 1000円ぐらいだった. So I think it was about 1,000 yen is 1000円ぐらいだったと思います。1000円ぐらいだったと思います。Now let's practice with more examples. Let's say you watched a basketball game and you want to say, I think it was a good team. It would be, いいチームだったと思います。いいチームだったと思います。Let's say you're talking about a game competition and your friend doesn't know the result. So you want to ask your friend, which do you think won? It would be, どっちが勝ったと思いますか？どっちが勝ったと思いますか？ Now let's try some quizzes. Can you say, I think the teacher got married? The answer is, 先生は結婚したと思います。先生は結婚したと思います。Can you say, I think the effort wasn't a waste? Here are some hints. Effort is 努力. Waste is 無駄. The answer is 努力は無駄じゃなかったと思います。努力は無駄じゃなかったと思います。Can you say, where do you think I bought it? The answer is どこで買ったと思いますか？どこで買ったと思いますか？ Today we learned the と思います expression with past tense sentences. Thank you for watching. ありがとうございます。